We'll guide you through how to download and install JourneyMap in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. JourneyMap is a really useful mapping tool, and so what we can do is go and get it for Minecraft. I'll guide you through step by step. So to go and get started, you need to go and quit off Minecraft. Now what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. So I'll go and open up Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And then what we're going to do is go and search for JourneyMap like so. You want to go to this top result here, which is curseforge.com. It's a really great place to go and get mods from. You can go and scroll down and go and read the description, but you shouldn't need to, but it is useful to see some key information. Go and click on files. And what we want to do is go and choose the version you want to get this for. Personally, I like to go and get the most up-to-date version available, but you may want to go and get an older version for whatever reason. Maybe you're playing with some of the mods. So in this case, I'll go and get this one here. Make sure the mod loader is for Forge and we're getting the most recent version unless you've got another reason not to. And you can come over to the right, click on the three dots and click on download file like so. Now what we need to do is we need to go and get the mod loader. If we noted back here, we went and got it for Forge. Therefore, you want to go and search for Minecraft Forge, which I've now gone and done. And you want to go to the official site, which is this top one here. Here we are. Now what you need to do is go and get the correct version, as we got JourneyMap for 1.21.4, so we can click over to the left and expand 1.21, and we can find 1.21.4. We can then go and click on installer like so. You go and get taken to an ad wall, so just be aware these are ads here. If you see a download button, it's for the ad. You need to go and click the skip button in the top right, and as you can see, we've now gone and downloaded it. You can now come out of your web browser and go and open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. In your downloads, you should go and find Forge and JourneyMap. Just go and drag them onto your desktop. It just makes things easier. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, then check them out. There'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. At the moment, you can go and get a discount off your first invoice. They've got so many awesome features as well. For example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support. So anytime you need the help, you can go and get it, as well as ultra latency and many other features as well. So go and check them out if you need a server. What we need to do is go and install Forge. So go and double click it like so. You should go and get a pop-up like this. If you don't, maybe nothing happens or something else opens up. This is because you don't go and have Java installed on your computer or it's not working correctly. So you can close it. You want to come back to your web browser and go to Java. Here we are. You can go straight to java.com or you can just go and search for it. And then what you want to do is go and click on download Java. After you've installed it, come back to Forge and right click it. Hover over open with, go and select choose another app. Select Java in this list here and click on always, and it should then go and run. If it still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix, which relinks jar and Java files together. So go and get it open up like so, select install client and press OK, and it's then going to go and install. When it's finished, you'll go and get this pop-up and you can press OK. Come to the bottom and tap on search and go and type in Minecraft launcher and open it up again. Here we are in the launcher. Now what you need to do is head over to the left and select Java Edition and go to the top and click on installations. Scroll down until you go and see Forge and go and hover your cursor over it and press on the folder or file icon over to the right. Now you want to scroll through these files here and go and find the mods folder. As you can see, here it is, and go and double click on it. Now what you need to do is go and drag in JourneyMap. So drag and drop it into this folder here like so. Now what we can do is come back to play, go to the left of the play button and select the current version. And what you want to do is select Forge, then click play. You'll get this pop up as it's modified and then press play again. It's now loaded. When we click on mods, we can come over to the left and go and see we've got JourneyMap. So now we can go and get into a world. You'll go and see JourneyMap appear in the chat. And when I go and press on J, we can go and open it up. As you can see, it's that simple.